reaction with alcohols and thioalcohols. Do you know thioalcohols? Alcohols means ROH. Thioalcohols are SH. In place of oxygen, sulfur is there. That is thioalcohols. Right. Aldehyde. RC double bond OH. Aldehyde. Reaction with methyl alcohol. Methyl alcohol. See here in the methyl alcohol, the methyl methoxide is acting as nucleophile, remaining is plus. So R C see here OCH3 and this one becomes OH. Here one hydrogen is there, right? This part is extra again. OCH3. Okay, this is called hemiacetal. 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 Suppose if it is react with one more methyl alcohol, then again CH3OH. Then the product is RC. OCH3, OCH3. Here hydrogen. This is acetal. Acetal. This acetal by the hydrolysis H3O plus is giving again aldehyde. Then why we are doing this time pass? No. If you want to protect the group, protect this aldehyde group or ketone, carbonyl group, to protect the carbonyl group, we will do this acetal and hemiacetal. Okay? Then similarly ketol. Okay? Then I am taking here R C double bond O R dash ketone reaction with methyl alcohol. Then it is forming R OH. R dash so already is there. Then O methyl. Okay. Then again one more time. What is this? Hemiketal. Now again reaction with methyl alcohol. Not only methyl alcohol, any alcohol you can take. Okay. R dash OCH3 and OCH3. This is the ketol. Okay. You can write it here acidic medium. Acidic medium. Okay, next, if you take thiols, same reaction. Over written, if you take here thiols, SH, H will go there. Here SCH3. then SCH3 and SCH3. इसका नाम होता है मेरकैप्टल. मेरकैप्टल. See, it is only for JEE students. Okay, लिखना तो सब लोग लिखना है. ये थायो वाला it's not there in the NCERT. It is not difficult also. Just name only different. Process तो same है. Next, with diols. With diols. RC double bond OH reacts with glycol CH2OH CH2OH. Simply here this hydrogens and this oxygen. See, first you write it. With diols, right? CH3C double bond OH aldehyde I am taking here. CH2OH CH2OH glycol I am taking. What's happening here? Again, water molecule release. Water molecule is released. It is forming CH3. One hydrogen is as it is, oxygen and oxygen. Here CH2. This is cyclic acetal. Cyclic acetal. If ketone is there, cyclic ketone. You can do one thing, you can write it R dash, लिख दो इधर R dash, cyclic acetal or ketone. If R dash is hydrogen, then acetal. If R dash is methyl, then ketone. Cyclic acetal and cyclic ketone. So the purpose of this reaction is whenever you want to protect the carbonyl group, it is required. Next, reaction with Grignard reagent. It's a very, very important Grignard reagent, RMGX. So, all three reactions I will write it. RMGX reaction with formaldehyde. I think already written. Alcohol chapter में आ गया था. Shall I write only refer alcohol or reactions you want? लिख दो, बार-बार लिखे तो याद रहेगा. ठीक है? देखो mechanism. R minus is attacking on the carbon, then the pi bond is shifted to oxygen, then hydrogen, carbon, hydrogen as it is, ऊपर O minus के साथ MgX, O minus MgX plus, here R group, Next, hydrolysis. The hydrolysis, OH and MgX, MgX, OH. So we will get it primary alcohol. We will get it primary alcohol. But we will get it primary alcohol. Right. Same mechanism. Again, Grignard reagent RMgX. If I take any other aldehyde other than the formaldehyde, CH3 double bond OH, then like this intermediate, see one side CH3, other side hydrogen OMgX, then here R group is there, furtherly R CHOH CH3. One side alkyl group is from aldehyde, another side alkyl group is from Grignard reagent. Okay, so finally it is secondary alcohols. Secondary alcohols. When it is forming secondary alcohol, whenever aldehyde, all aldehyde except formaldehyde. If you want primary, 100% you have to take formaldehyde. Okay, if you take ketone with Grignard reagent, obviously tertiary मिलेगा एक बार RMgX reaction with acetone. You can take any ketone. Just I am writing here ketone. Then see the mechanism. R minus will attack at the carbon. Then two methyl groups already there. Down R group, up O minus MgX plus. Then further reaction CH3 CCH3 down R. We are doing what? Hydrolysis I am doing here. See here also hydrolysis H3O plus. Tertiary alcohols. You can write it here 3-degree alcohols. 3-degree alcohols. Understood everyone? Grignard reagent over. Next. Chloral reaction with water. Chloral. What is the chloral? Chloral. Al means aldehyde. Chloral. It is the acetaldehyde structure, but in place of hydrogen, chlorine is there. All three chlorines. Double bond OH. Okay. It is aldehyde. Here CH3. है तो ethanol. In the ethanol, three chlorines replaced by chlorine. It is the chloral. What is the importance of this reaction and what is the uniqueness of this reaction? Here, when water is reacting with this, the chlorine replaced with OH, carbon, OH, two OH groups, one more OH group is there. Here, C double bond O, hydrogen is there. Sorry, wrong. 1 minute. addition of water, HOH, H plus OH minus. Okay, so this OH is attacking here, this pi bond shifted here, then chlorine, 3 chlorines as it is. Here O minus, the minus and this H plus, it becomes OH. Here OH is attacking, so one more OH. Here hydrogen is there as it is. See, the uniqueness of this reaction is, till the day whatever reactions you written, on same carbon 2 OH groups are there, means what you will do generally, removing water molecule. Okay, then ये बनेगा. Okay, but by adding the water molecule, this one we are getting. In generally, on a single carbon, 2 OH groups are there, that is unstable. But here it is stable. Here it is stable. Why? See here, between hydrogen, this hydrogen is right this side. This hydrogen and chlorine. Here hydrogen bond is there. Hydrogen bond is there. This hydrogen and chlorine. You may ask, sir, actually chlorine के साथ तो hydrogen bond नहीं बनते. हाँ, in generally with chlorine there is no hydrogen bond, but here 3 chlorines are there. 3 chlorines are there. So in the solution chapter, negative deviation. If you remember that example, we written that acetone and chloroform. Acetone and chloroform, इन दोनों के बीच में individually there is no hydrogen bond. But if you mix these two, hydrogen bond is forming. New hydrogen bond is forming. That's why the molecules are coming to closer. So negative deviation showing. So here also when 3 chlorines are there, more electronegativity is there. Okay. So hydrogen bond formation is there. So finally it is stable. Finally it is stable. That's why here dehydration not takes place. It is stable. Okay, write it. Chloral hydrate. This one is chloral hydrate. Chloral hydrate. It is stable due to intramolecular hydrogen bond. Intramolecular hydrogen bond. It is stable due to intramolecular hydrogen bond. Wittig reaction. Wittig reaction. It is used to prepare alkenes. To prepare alkenes from carbonyl compounds. Okay, here phosphorus, 3 phenyl groups. Double bond CH2 reaction with C double bond O hydrogen R group. Here what will happen? This total triphenyl phosphine and this oxygen. Okay. Yes, sir.
Internet okay?
Ah, yes. It is just like POCl3, or okay, like that. It will eliminate this group. Okay, the CH2 simply, the CH2 is substituting at the oxygen position. Okay, I am writing first alkene, CH2 double bond CHR. What is the other product? Phosphorus, 3 phenyl groups as it is. Then double bond O. This is the byproduct. Preparation of alkene from carbonyl compounds. Now this name is alkylidene. Alkylidene triphenyl alkylidene triphenyl phosphorane. Phosphorane. Alkylidene. कभी भी CH2 double bond आए तो methylidene actually. Here this name is methylidene. Okay. So you can take here R group also. Alkylidene. Triphenyl, it's common. Phosphorane. This one, triphenyl phosphine oxide. Triphenyl phosphine oxide. इसका दूसरा नाम है कॉमन नेम इलाइड्स. YLID इलाइड्स. ओके, एक रेफरेंस बुक्स में और जेई एडवांस में एक क्वेश्चन था इसका. They will give that step by step. It is giving that A and B, C, D. What is the last F? What is the answer? They will ask. So here, elide preparation, that is also important. Okay. Note it down. Page number. See, phosphorus, triphenyl phosphorus I'm taking. Triphenyl phosphorus. Just like NH3, you can assume that NH3 is lone pair is there. It is reaction with methyl bromide. Okay, see which you know that reaction you can assume. It is similar to NH3 plus HCl. तब क्या होगा? NH4Cl. NH4 plus Cl minus. Similarly here, lone pair is there. This is the minus, the plus. It is just like hydrogen. So it is forming triphenyl. Then here a bond is there. Of course, total positive charge. Bahar Br minus. Now here I am taking strong base. strong base. Okay, butyl lithium and many are there. I will write few. C6H5 lithium, butyl lithium, NaNH2 sodamide, sodium hydride and sodium ethoxide. Okay, like this. Any strong base. What this strong base will do? Will take a hydrogen from this. Okay, then it is forming three phenyls as it is. Okay, then here from the CH3 one hydrogen left. Okay, I can write it here. CH2 one hydrogen is. Okay, so this hydrogen is taken by base. So it is forming here CH2 minus. CH2 minus. The phosphorus has plus. Okay, four bonds are there. Right. Plus and minus, nothing but that bond. Okay. This is only ylide. Starting में लिखा था ylide. Alkylidine triphenyl phosphorate. Okay. So they will give that A reaction with methyl magnesium, methyl bromide. It is giving B. Then B is reaction with the carbonyl compounds. Then C. What is the C? Pile reaction. Okay. Here ylide is forming. दोनों के बीच में डबल बॉन्ड बनेगा. बस. This alkyl group substituting in the carbonyl compound at oxygen position. Okay, it is only advanced. Very advanced stage. Next, important board CET सब में है Cannizzaro reaction. Named reaction. The named reaction also it is there. Cannizzaro reaction. See here Cannizzaro and aldol. Cannizzaro and aldol reaction simultaneously. You can see the differences. First point in the Cannizzaro reaction, alpha hydrogen should not be present. Here alpha hydrogen should be present. Then Cannizzaro, C, concentrated NaOH required. Here diluted NaOH required. Okay. Then second point over. Then third point. It is disproportionation reaction. Disproportionation reaction. होता क्या है disproportionation मतलब? ब्रैकेट में लिख दो. Getting oxidation as well as reduction. Getting oxidation as well reduction. Here beta hydroxy compound, beta hydroxy carbonyl compound, CC, beta hydroxy carbonyl compound by heating by heating, actually you can write followed by heating, gives alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound, alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds. Next, more reactive aldehyde oxidizes to carboxylic acid. The other reduces to alcohol. Mixture of compounds are forming. Mixture of compounds are forming. Mixture of compounds are forming. Written these points. Note down fast. I will give the example and each point explanation. Written. See, Cannizzaro reaction में no alpha hydrogens means I can take formaldehyde. So 2 moles I will take, 2 moles. Then concentrated NaOH. Then one is forming carboxylic acid. The another one is forming alcohol. One molecule is forming carboxylic acid, other molecule forming alcohol. So aldehyde to getting oxidation, aldehyde to getting reduction. So disproportionation reaction. Okay. Here alpha hydrogen should be present. So I can take acetaldehyde. Then again 2 moles here also. It is a diluted NaOH. So initially forming beta hydroxy carbonyl compound. So CH3, this one becoming OH, hydrogen as it is. Next molecule becomes CH2, C double bond OH. What is this? Beta hydroxy carbonyl compound. But especially when I take acetaldehyde. This name is aldol. It is aldol. Okay, ये product के name पे आ गए aldol reaction. But what I given you, the second point, if you heat this compound from here OH, this OH and hydrogen, it is released as water molecule. So the product is CH3, CH double bond CH, CHO. You can see here, this is the alpha carbon, this is the beta carbon, this is the gamma carbon. Alpha beta unsaturated, alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound is formed. You can check it one point, each one point cross check कर सकते हैं. See, you can write in, this is one page, that is another page, you can write it, no problem. Simultaneously, I am explaining because the variation you can understand easily. Here, no alpha hydrogen, there alpha hydrogen should be present. Anyways, so they same the, but diluted Al, diluted Canegero C, concentration, NaOH. Okay, cannot, no hydrogens, alpha hydrogens. Aldol में alpha hydrogen, alpha is there, aldol. Okay, alpha hydrogen should be present. You have to link up because these are the named reactions. There is no hint, right? Now mechanism. Mechanism also important for these reactions. Okay. Aldehyde reaction with OH minus, right? Generally in the carbonyl group, what happened? OH is attacking it, carbonyl position. This pi bond shifted to oxygen, right? Hydrogen, carbon O minus, then hydrogen here OH. This much everyone you understood? It is easy, right? Next. Next, what happened? This O minus, when it is coming back, here hydrogen is releasing as H minus. Okay, hydride ion. Now one more aldehyde is there. I am taking 2 moles, right? So one more aldehyde, HC double bond O, H. Okay, it is releasing as H minus, hydride, right? This hydride is attacking on another aldehyde, carbonyl position. Okay, now it is shifting like this. So this step is hydride shifting, hydride ion shifting, hydride ion migrating as shifting, migrating. Hydride ion migrating. Okay, what are the products here? HC double bond OH, carboxylic acid plus. What about this one? See, one hydrogen, carbon, hydrogen. The new hydrogen joined here, then it becomes O minus. Understood everyone this much? What happened? OH minus initially attacked. Okay, almost carboxylic acid one here. Then the released H minus ion attacking on another carbonyl group of one more formaldehyde. Then it becomes like this. Alkoxide one here, alkoxide. The alkoxide is the base here carboxylic acid. So then here H plus migration next, because it is acid. So what acid will do? H plus releasing. It is a base. What the base will do? It will take H plus. So this H plus is exchanging. So the products are HCO minus plus here CH3OH. मतलब methyl alcohol. That means methyl alcohol. See, we are taking NaOH solution. That means base. So here O minus Na plus carboxylate, then alcohols. Okay, if you do HCl reaction, then acidic medium में carboxylic acid is forming. Till that time it will be as a salt. Okay, see I written here it is, but actually you have to write O minus Na plus only. O minus Na plus. OH also you can write whenever, if you take the first step and second step. Suppose if you are taking second step for diluted HCl, then I can write it here OH. Okay, then I can write it here OH. Now it is OH, because initially salt was there, but the salt is reacting with HCl, forming carboxylic acid. Okay, understood this? Pooja understood. Only one student understood. What about others? Purva, Shivani, Sarthak, Athar, Devraj, Adarsh. Only 2-3 students. Aarti, Shivani, right. So this is the mechanism. Now you will see this side. Mechanism here. CH3 C double bond OH. I am taking here base. Of course, diluted base I am taking. The base required one hydrogen. See, in the first case, the OH minus is attacking at carbonyl group, but here it is not attacking. It is taking this H plus. It is taking this H plus. So it is generating nucleophile. It is generating nucleophile. This is the main difference. Suppose here also, if hydrogen is there, it will do same work. That's why in the condition I told you, the Cannizzaro reaction should not be present alpha hydrogen. Then only OH minus will attack. If alpha hydrogen is there, that H plus will take. Carbene ion is forming. Okay, like this carbene ion. Alright. Now this carbene ion react with one aldehyde. One more aldehyde. Right? You know the Grignard reagent, many times we written that. See, maybe nucleophile is attacking at carbonyl position, this pi bond is shifted to oxygen side. Right? Now, this one I am writing first. CH3CO minus hydrogen bond. The upper one, CH2C double bond OH. Okay. Next. Here, what happened is CH2 minus 1. That means minus water left. OH minus taking this H plus, forming water molecule. Water molecule left. In the container, now water molecule is there. Right? Now, it is alkoxide. RO minus means alkoxide. Alkoxide and water, alcohol and water, which is more acidic? Which is more acidic, alcohol or water? Yes, everyone give reply. Alcohol and water. Which is ready to donate H plus? Alcohol or water? I am asking the question, which is more acidic? Which can donate H plus? Water will donate H plus or alcohol will donate H plus? Both are not donating. Water will donate. Alcohol is basic in nature. Alcohol is basic in nature. So in the water acidic nature means what? H plus donating. So it will take. So I am taking here water. So from this water, one H plus going to this oxygen. So finally, the product, same product is forming. Okay. What's happening here? OH bun here. CH3, CHOH, then remaining CH2, C double bond OH as it is. If you heat it, removing water molecule, still we have two options. OH, left side also hydrogen can leave and right side also can leave. But if you remove the right side, the conjugation may have alpha beta. But if you remove left side, that is less substituted alkene is less stable. So this is the more preferred. This is the mechanism. Write it, everyone. I will tell you the shortcut again. How to write direct products. Next. In the Canigero, formaldehyde is there, and one more is given benzaldehyde. This one also there is no alpha hydrogen here, right? It undergoing Canigero reaction. Now the big question is, which one will become carboxylic acid and which one will become alcohol? Yes, I am asking the question. Give reply. Formic acid and benzoic acid, which one will become carboxylic acid? Sorry, formaldehyde and benzaldehyde. I am taking as reactant. Formaldehyde and benzaldehyde reactants, which is oxidizes to carboxylic acid. Okay, if you don't know, then you tell me which is more reactive towards nucleophilic addition reaction. Which is more reactive? Formaldehyde or benzaldehyde? Yes, लोग बताओ. Which is more reactive? More reactive कैसे देखते हैं? मेरे पास न्यूक्लियोफाइल है, ठीक है, इधर भी अटैक कर सकते हैं, इधर भी अटैक कर सकते हैं. कहाँ अटैक होगा इजीली? फॉर्माल्डिहाइड या बेंजाल्डिहाइड? बेंजाल्डिहाइड में होगा. क्यों? पूजा, फॉर्माल्डिहाइड. शिवानी, फॉर्माल्डिहाइड इज द करेक्ट आंसर. बेंजाल्डिहाइड में नहीं होगा बेटा, क्योंकि रेजोनेंस है. रेजोनेंस से तो पहले तो पॉजिटिव था, लेकिन द पॉजिटिव इज न्यूट्रलाइज्ड बाय रेजोनेंस. न्यूक्लियोफाइल रिक्वायर्ड पॉजिटिव, सो फाइनली formaldehyde पे अटैक होगा. दैट मींस formaldehyde is more reactive. Already given you statement. More reactive aldehyde becomes carboxylic acid. Okay, here what is the nucleophile? The nucleophile is OH minus. Then where the OH minus is attacking, that becomes carboxylic acid. So the product is HC double bond O minus. I am taking diluted HCl also, so I can write it here direct acid. No need salt. formic acid, then benzyl alcohol. Benzyl alcohol. This is the product. Next, aldol condensation. CH3, C double bond OH. I am taking another aldehyde. CH3, CH2, C double bond OH. Then what will happen? See here alpha hydrogens. This one here, this one is alpha hydrogen. Okay. So here we will get almost 1, 2, 3, 4. देखते हैं कितना. So direct answer कैसे लिखना है? I will tell you. See what's happening in the last mechanism. The hydrogen left from alpha position. Hydrogen left from alpha position. So this oxygen and these hydrogens removing and forming water molecule. Final product I am writing. Okay. So here first one is diluted NaOH. Then second one is heat. On the bracket, if heat is there, then only you have to write the final product. Okay. If heat is not there, beta hydroxy compound you have to write. Okay. Then see the final product I am writing. This compound as this first CH3, CH2, C hydrogen. Okay. Double bond. इधर से ये चालू CH, CH, C double bond OH. It is one of the products. It is one of the product. Okay, one product it is. What is this product name? I can say simply one is ethanol and propanol. EP product. Ethanol and propanol. Sorry, propanol and ethanol. पहले propanol था. PE product. PE product. PE product. ठीक है. So same उल्टा भी हो सकता है. कैसे? This oxygen here two hydrogens like this. This oxygen and here two hydrogens can release. मतलब दोनों के बीच में डबल बॉन्ड बनेगा. Simple. See here. This upper one I am writing. I am going to write here EP product, ethanol and propanol product I am writing. Okay, ethanol first I am writing CH3, C, H is there, double bond. This oxygen and these two hydrogens left as a water molecule. Like alpha carbon. These two hydrogens left. So this carbon connected with one methyl group. This carbon connected with a double bond OH. Understanding? Understood these two products, PE and EP? You have to remove the water molecule. One time you take first aldehyde oxygen and second aldehyde beta hydrogens. Next, second aldehyde oxygen and first aldehyde beta hydrogens. So not beta, alpha hydrogens. Okay. Next, EE product. Ethanol product. Ethanol because I am taking 1 mole this one and 1 mole this one. Means crores of molecules are there. It is not mandatory to remove this oxygen and another aldehyde hydrogens. हो सकता है same aldehyde and दूसरा ethanol का hydrogen भी can release as water molecule. Okay, so CH3, देखो CH3 C double bond O is there, oxygen is there actually. Okay, what I am writing here again, I am writing CH3 C double bond OH. What I written here? One is ethanol, another also ethanol. Here oxygen was there. Okay, so what I am doing? One ethanol oxygen and another ethanol hydrogens. Which hydrogens? Alpha hydrogens. Is that why alpha hydrogens, right? So I am removing H2O. But in between two carbons, double bond of these. Over. You can see that this is the carbon alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds. Alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds. Okay, EE product over. Next, propanol PP product I am writing. I am going to write PP products. What is the PP product? CH3, CH2, C double bond OH. It's okay. And one more propanol. One more propanol. Both are propanols. Because oxygen and H2. Remove the water molecule. Okay. So I'm not writing again. Just I'm showing you clearly alpha hydrogens, two hydrogens, and this oxygen. So I'm removing here two hydrogens, इधर oxygen, right? दोनों के बीच में double bond. Understood? One aldehyde, alpha hydrogens, another aldehyde, oxygen. So total we got it 4 products. Total we got it 4 products. Okay. If two different aldehydes are there, that is called crossed aldol condensation. Crossed aldol. Hybrid type. Okay, everyone understood? Okay, I will give one question. You have to write product with IUPAC name. Next, crossed aldol condensation. अच्छा, एक condensation नहीं बताया. देखो aldol reaction. If aldol means up to beta hydroxy. So whatever we are writing, these all are condensation products. Condensation means a small water molecule or NH3 like that it's releasing. Condensation means some smaller molecule is left. Okay, these all are condensation products. Then what about aldol condensation? Aldol means beta hydroxy compounds. Starting में लिखा था beta hydroxy. Okay, sir, अभी इसमें ऐसे how to write? If only asking aldol product. Okay, we written here condensation product we written. Suppose the question is asking only aldol products. Then what you will do? See here oxygen was there. Here oxygen was there. Okay, just you remove one pi bond here OH and hydrogen. If you remove the water molecule, double bond. Okay. Plus here also same. ये aldehyde का तो ऑक्सीजन है, दूसरा aldehyde का ऑक्सीजन नहीं है. Do one thing here OH hydrogen. Heat करे तो then water molecule left. If you are not heating, then OH. Again you can see the definition, that classification. Initially what it is forming? Beta hydroxy carbonyl compound is forming. देखो alpha beta hydroxy carbonyl compound is forming. If you heat, then this hydrogen and OH left and forming double bond. Okay, here also same. If you heat, then water molecule left. forming condensation product. Okay, now I am giving here one is acetaldehyde, another one is ketone, acetone. Now write the products. How many products it is giving? First of all, tell me just number. How many products? Diluted NaOH. Diluted NaOH. See, one is aldehyde, one is ketone. You write one is AA product, aldehyde plus aldehyde. One is ketone and ketone. Next, another one, aldehyde and ketone, then ketone and aldehyde. So the products, AA product I am writing here. AA products. CH3, C double bond OH, one more CH3, C double bond OH. What I have to do? Remove the water molecule. Okay. So first you write the order. Okay. I am writing A, then KK. KK, you write it. Ketone, ketone. So CH3, C double bond O, CH3, one ketone. Another ketone, CH3, C double bond O, CH3. Then AK means aldehyde, CH3, C double bond OH, CH3, C double bond O, CH3. Then Ka, CH3, C double bond O, CH3. Then C double bond OH and CH3. Okay. Now what I will do now, removing the water molecules. Listen carefully. Okay. Oxygen and these hydrogens. देखो here. इसके पहले क्या था CH3 था, right? So I am removing two hydrogens and making a double bond. Remaining one hydrogen as it is. Remaining one hydrogen as it is. Okay, H2O left. Two oxygen, one oxygen and two hydrogens. Here, two hydrogens left. Two hydrogen left. One hydrogen is there. I am writing up. दोनों के बीच में double bond. Double bond. Okay. Next, here aldehyde and ketone. Here two hydrogens. Here oxygen. Okay. Of course, one hydrogen is remain. Now here also same. H2O निकलना है. Here see, three hydrogens are there. One hydrogen remain. Two hydrogen left with this oxygen. Here one hydrogen remain. Okay. Now you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here many carbons are different. Now AK and Ka, both are different or same. Once you check it. I am giving the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pentane, pentanol, pentane 2-on. Pentane 2-on, 3-ene. Okay, IUPAC name I will write it. Pent 3-ene 2-on. Pent 3-ene 2-on. Right? What about this one? Numberings. So either say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pent 3-ene 2-on. This is also say. That means Ka and AK both are giving same product. Totally we got only 3 products, not 4. Totally products we got only 3 because it is symmetrical, na ketone. Acetone is symmetrical. आगे से भी ले लो, पीछे से भी ले लो, same. Correct only I did. Okay, wait. Galat kiya tha. See, one thing I did mistake. Your aldehyde से oxygen. So next time what I have to take? Ketone से oxygen लेना, right? So aldehyde oxygen and ketone hydrogens. Now ketone oxygen I have to take, right? See the fourth product again I am writing. Here it is aldehyde, aldehyde and ketone. Aldehyde का oxygen गया था. Now I am writing ketone CH3 C double bond O CH3. Ketone. Here it is aldehyde, right? Now remove the water molecule. Remove the water molecule. That means double bond बनेगा इधर. Okay, double bond. Right. Now you see the IUPAC name. 1, 2, 3, 4. Butane. But 3 E now. What about this 3-methyl? 3-methyl. 3-methyl but. 3-methyl but 2-enol. But 2-enol. Here to only 4 carbons. Here ketone. Methyl substitution is there. Okay, 4 products. We got it. 4 products. 4 products. Once you can check it.